Essay. Topic: Adolescence, Reproduction and Reproductive Health. Adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes change, leading to the reproductive maturity. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. Since this period covers the teens, adolescents are also called teenagers. At adolescence, many changes occur in male and female. The changes in puberty are increase in height, change in body shape, voice change, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Secondary sexual characters are observed in girls and boys at adolescence. In girls, breasts begin to develop at puberty and boys begin to grow facial hair, that is mustaches and beard. Boys also develop hair on their chest. Hair grows under the arms and in the region of pubic region. The process of giving birth to new organisms of their own kind is called reproduction. The reproduction is essential for the continuity of the species. There are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents are involved, and in asexual reproduction, only a single parent is involved. In asexual reproduction, the offspring usually resemble its parent. The sexual reproduction involves the formation and fusion of male and female gamete, that is fertilization process. After the fertilization, the zygote is formed. The zygote undergoes divisions and it forms the embryo. The embryo later develops into the fetus. If the fusion of male and female gamete occurs inside the female body, it is internal fertilization. And if it occurs outside the female body, it is external fertilization. In human being, the fertilization is internal. An example of external fertilization is frog. In human beings, in female, usually the egg is released on the 14th day to the 18th day. If the mating occurs in those days, the fusion of male and female gamete occur. The zygote is formed and it leads to the pregnancy. If the mating doesn't occur on those days when the egg is released, the egg doesn't get fertilized, the zygote is not formed, and the MC, menstruation, occurs in females. The first menstruation period is known as menarche, and usually at the age of 45 to 50 years in females, the menstruation stops. This is called menopause. The male reproductive parts are pair of testes, penis, and sperm ducts and the glands. Female reproductive organs are ovaries, pair of ovaries, oviduct and uterus vagina. Human beings are viviparous. It means they give birth to young ones. The main types of asexual reproduction are budding, spore formation, fission, binary and multiple fission, regeneration, fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. Reproductive health. The physical and mental well-being of an individual is regarded as an individual's health. During adolescence, we should have the balanced diet. Our diet should include carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, surfaces and water in a definite proportion as required. At adolescence, the personal hygiene should be maintained. All young boys and girls should take walks, exercise, and play outdoor games. The adolescents should say no to drugs.